Hi, I'm Kevin Henderson from Middle Atlantic Products. I want to show you the brand new RackLink system, which we're just introducing and showing for the very first time at the CVS Show 2011. We've not posted anything yet on our website or distributed any literature, so you're getting an advanced look for the first time. So it'll be shipping soon, probably the first week of November this year. Let me tell you a little bit about what it does. You've seen power distribution boxes in the past. We've now web-enabled power distribution and added control and monitoring features. So, in addition to providing outlets to power your AV installation, it also can monitor the input voltage, whether it's high or low. It'll monitor a temperature in the area using a probe that's attached to the unit. And it can also auto-ping a number of IP-enabled devices on the local network. Between these three different types of sensing and the intelligence that's built in, it enables you for very proactive power management. Let me give you some examples. It would mean that, for example, you can set user thresholds for the voltage levels or temperature, and the equipment will monitor the conditions on site and not only log any discrepancies for going outside the allowed ranges, but it can also take action by rebooting a device or turning an additional fan on and sending you an email to alerting you what it has done. So you get the combination of the good information and logging, as well as the capability to set it to take action. I'll just point to a couple of pieces on the device and show you how these attach. Here's a rack mount unit. You can see there are some convenience outlets that are normally on. They're switched to control. And then we have 5 outlets that are controlled by the system that can be programmed to act as you need. Over here you see some dry contact closure connections that can be used to integrate with control systems and provide information to it. We also have RS-232 connection here, also for that purpose. And then the IP connection that not only can be connected to a local network devices and also reach to the outside IP. So quite a lot of robust capability in a small package. There's also a small version, I'll show over here, that has one convenience outlet and one controlled outlet, but otherwise has all the same connectivity and functions of its bigger rack-mount brother. And we also make a version that's monitor only. It doesn't have the control feature if all you want to know is what's going on and to have information about the site at the most economical cost. So thank you very much for taking a look, and best of luck with your installations this year. Unfortunately, it's not on the website yet, but keep coming back to Middle Atlantic, middleatlantic.com, and we'll be keeping you updated as things progress. Good luck.